Hello everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how you can connect your PIM to a channel similar to a Shopify channel. So we can get started and let me show you how you can connect your Shopify channel to the PIM so we can read data from your Shopify channel, as well as we could push data and sync data to your Shopify channel. So first thing is first, you'll click on the channels on the left side of the screen and then click on channel connection. Once you're on this page, you'll be able to see all the connected and the unconnected channels that are in your store. So all what you have to do is click on new channel, and then once you click on new channel, it will ask you which channel that you would like to add. So in this example, we're going to do Shopify. So once you click on Shopify, here you give it the name of your store or any name that you would like to remember in the future. So I'll just give it the store name that I have here. Once you enter the store name, just click outside the box. So the next button will be available to click. So right here, it's available to click. So click next. And then in this page, let me show you what you need to fill out. So anything that has the red star next to it is a required field. So let me show you how you can find this information in your Shopify store. So basically the Shopify domain, you're going to go to your Shopify store and then you're going to click on settings. Once you click on settings, you'll be able to go to domains, right? So right here we have domains. Once you click on domains, you'll be able to see your Shopify domain. You will just copy the part that's before .myshopify.com. So we're not gonna copy the whole domain. We're just copying the first section of the domain that comes before .myshopify.com. So let's copy this text and put it right here. Now we need to enter the fulfillment service that we have, right? So in our case, we'll go to locations. So in your settings, you'll find something that has the locations that you have where you are fulfilling your products from. So once you go to locations, you will be able to see all the locations that you have for fulfillment service. Right here, we have the 218 Matchlin Court, and we also have Eunice. So we can either copy this text right here, just the 218 Matchlin Court right here. So we could either copy this or we could copy Eunice. Let me copy Eunice in this example. So right here, I will paste Eunice. And then in the inventory location, it will be the same thing. I will copy the same Eunice, and then API key and API secret. Let me show you how you could find this. Basically, you need to go to your Shopify store, then go to apps and sales channels, and then you would need to click on develop apps. Once you click on develop apps, you create a new application. So on the top right of the screen, you'll see the black button that says create an app. You click on that, and then you just give it a name. So you could call it item PIM main account, or you could name it the merchant. So right here, the merchant that you have in your PIM, your merchant name or your account name is Inside Supply, for example. So we could just name it Inside Supply just for organizational purposes. Once we do that, we're gonna click on create app, and then in this step we would like to share everything with the API for the PIM to be able to read your inventory, your orders, your prices. So what we need to do is that we configure the API integration, and then we basically want to select everything here. So I'll just pause the video and select all of them and show you what happens next. All right, so now that we've selected all of the API integrations right here, we're going to scroll down to the bottom and click on save. So now we're able to share all of this information to the PIM, so we're able to read and write data to your Shopify store. So next step, you will go to your API credentials and then you click on install app. So you'll see this disclaimer right here, warning, and then you click install. Once you click install, you're going to copy two things from this page. The first thing is the API key. So you're going to come here, copy this key, and then you'll go to your PIM and copy this and paste it in the API key section. Now for the API secret, let me show you how you could do this. You would basically come here, you reveal token once, and then you would copy this token and then you would paste it right here in the API secret. So make sure to save this token somewhere in case you want to need it in the future or you want to use it again in the future. This token will only be revealed once from Shopify, so you only have one time to see it and copy it. So just for security purpose, I'm not going to be able to share the token on the screen on the recording right now. However, you just click reveal token once and then you copy it and then you paste it right here. Okay, so once done, you're going to go to the next step and then you want to click test connection right here. Okay, so once you click test connection, let's see what happens. Alright, so we have a connection failed here. We have an issue. We can see what's the reason for that. Now on this page, the domain has an issue. We basically copied the wrong domain. So right here, you might be able to see that you have multiple domains on your Shopify store. You have this one that you're currently using, but there is always going to be the main Shopify domain, which is this one right here. So this is the one that you would like to use and you would have to use in order for you to have a correct connection. So let's click on this one, which is the main one that you have on your Shopify store. And then we will copy the first part that comes before .myshopify.com. So let's copy this and let's replace it with the TCL Mart and let's see what happens next. All right, so let's click test connection again. All right, here we go. We have a successful connection. So that means we've successfully connected our Shopify store to the item PIM. So with that being said, we just need to click submit. And here we go. We have the TCL store connected to our Shopify store. We have it connected to the PIM right here. Now, if you want to deactivate this Shopify store or if you want to remove it, then you want to click here and then you want to click on delete or not connected, and then this will remove it. So it's not going to be able to read data from the Shopify store to the PIM. Okay, so moreover, we would have settings for scheduling, right? So you will be able to see and edit how often would you like to automatically sync data from your Shopify store and from your PIM, both ways. It's a two-way sync that would happen. So you'll click on the settings right here, and then if you click on edit right here, you'll be able to edit how often you'd like to download the Shopify data to the PIM. So order download, upload shipment, upload inventory. If you click refresh right here, this will refresh it instantly and it will grab data right away. If you click sync inventory, it will push data right away from the PIM to the Shopify channel. However, here you're also able to set up how often would you like it to sync both ways. So 1 minute means every 1 minute we will run a schedule sync that will update the inventory automatically every 1 minute. Same thing with the price, it will update every 1 minute. And same way with the product. So let's say you add a Shopify product right here. on your Shopify store. And then if this is set to 10 minutes, then you have to wait 10 minutes in Shopify for us to receive the data from Shopify to the PIM. However, if this is set to 1 minute, then we will receive the data from Shopify within 1 minute. If this is off, then we're not going to receive any data from Shopify related to products, new products that you add. However, if you just want instant products that you want to gain and receive its data from your Shopify channel, then you can just click refresh, and then this will receive and download all the product data from Shopify to the PIM. This is a section for notes in case you want to add any notes in the account.